Hey guys, welcome back. I actually thought I was done for the day. I only had two movies that I wanted to review, but at this point in time, and a couple of years in, I was actually planning on maybe watching a little TV before I went to sleep, maybe some Netflix, or maybe try to watch a movie. But then I realized I do actually have something to unbox, and that is this particular package over here from one of the sellers that I buy from, third-party sellers that I buy from Amazon, and probably one of the best customer care services that I from these third-party sellers is by these guys. They are called Dudax. I think they're from Switzerland. I guess so. So we'll take a look at what this is. I've already ripped open this part, and yeah, from the title you already know what it is, but it is a four movie set and the remake. So it's called the Omen Pentology. Omen is um, one of the most iconic horror movies that, at least in my eyes, especially because from my childhood, this is one of the first movies, one of the first horror movies that I can remember watching. Probably the third or fourth horror movie that I can remember watching. This is the front of the with that evil kid over here, Damien. I think this is from the first movie. Yeah, this is from the first movie because he's a much older teenager in the second movie, and in the third he's played by Sam Neill. Who the first time I actually watched Sam Neill and before Jurassic Park. So I always Sam Neill. I've seen him in other stuff, but for me, Sam Neill is basically Damien first. I can't remember the character's name, but the lead character in Jurassic Park, the first movie, and of course in the third, and of course in one of my favorite sci-fi horror movies, which is Event Horizon. So for me, he is basically those three characters. So let's take open the shrink wrap, which I need to do it. Yeah, there we go. And this is definitely good. My horror collection isn't that big, so I definitely did need a few things, and I will order a few more. But this one definitely is high in my eyes because of the movies, and I love the first three movies. The fourth one, which is called The Awakening, isn't really that great, but it is one of my childhood crushes, and an actress who I absolutely adore from the V series. She used to play Juliet Parrish, and this is the cover. Like I said, the beginning of they're showing the kid over here. This is the spine, which has the four movie names in it. Five movies. That's the four movies and the remake. And this is the back. So if you don't know what The Omen is about, this is the movie about the coming of the Antichrist, and of course also inspired, especially the first one, inspired the amazing arena hit single rocking anthem. The Number of the Beast, 666, The Number of the Beast by Iron Maiden, and yeah. So this is the cover, same as the front of the slipcase, but the back is different. It showing basically the kid's back, and from the eternal sea he rises, creating armies on either shore, turning man against his brother until man exists no more. But yeah, from Christian mythology about the Antichrist, and but it's an amazing movie. The first one, the second one is amazing. The third one as well. Although I think the third one has taken a toll from a lot of horror fans, but I do like it a lot. In fact, I actually missed the second one. I watched the first one for the first time when I was I think maybe like 8 or 9 years old, and it scared the crap out of me. 8 years old, I guess, and it scared a lot of my cousins as well, who were around the, before we were all teenagers. And I remember it's very popular in my family, especially the first one, and we, really did scare us. The second one I didn't watch until much later. The third movie, I remember watching it for the first time in Trivandrum in my cousin's house when we were on a summer vacation. I think we were there for almost a month. We would go to the beach and we would hang out in their rented house and watch a few movies in the afternoons and evenings. And this is one of the movies that I remember watching there. Um, I've since watched the movies, I think, a couple of times recently. One, I think, early this year maybe, or one last year, and I definitely now have this in my collection. So you got Omen Disc 1, the Omen Disc 2, Omen 2 Damien, which is the kid who actually forgot what he was and coming to terms with being the Antichrist, and there's a lot of good scenes in that movie as well. Omen the Awakening, which is basically the child of the Antichrist, and then the remake, which is okay. It isn't that great, but it's okay to have it in your collection. I would have gone for the last two movies separate. I would have preferred to. I mean, if push came to shove, I would have only had the first three movies, because I believe those are what you definitely need to have in your collection. But the price of this particular DVD box set actually went lower, quite low, so I was happy to have it in my collection. Definitely, this is something which will be among the pride of my collection, because it reminds me a lot of my childhood, especially with my cousins. Anything that I've seen with my cousins during our childhood days is something that I absolutely love and hold near and dear to my heart. So that's the Omen Pentology box set. Absolutely a must for horror fans. It's less on gore, more on the, and maybe not even that scary compared to what I've seen since. But it's got an eerie presence about it. So I definitely do think that it's something that you need to have in your collection. And I'm slurring a little bit because the beers have actually helped. And I'm feeling a little tired right now, but the Omen, definitely have it in your collection. Classic horror, and I will see you again sometime soon. So have a good night. It's Sunday night, so have a good night, and or have a wonderful working week coming ahead. We'll see you again pretty soon. Good night, guys. Take care.